Helo, Shemai, croeso I Dydd Music Cymru yn Wrecsam, Focus Wales. Dydd Music Cymru, yma Tesni yma ne, a grŵp yn mynd I fynd ymlaen mewn eiliad. This is Dydd Music Cymru, we're in Wrecsam, and if you're in and around it, all free to pawb is free, Saeseren is free. So this is a case of getting people out to listen to Cymru music. There's the advert, get on it.
Nice, fast, there's a white rope. I like all of Wrecsam, well back in the day. 3 MCs and 1 DJ. 9 turntable, I'll make a phone. Give ya that blessed penny.
You've got Mr. Formula there, Ed Holden, serious legend, you get me?
Shemai, croeso I Radio Glaned Dyddi a Calon FM. Dwi wedi cyfarfod Mr Seid Sod a fi mor pumped, I'm so pumped. Anyone who hasn't heard the Seid Sod, what is wrong with you? Get on the socials, go find it, man, it's awesome. Great track last year, on that with no less than David Iwan. Basically, helped David Iwan get, to me, get back on track, bringing a bit of youth into it. Hey, David, tell us, Sage, what are you doing in Wrecsam?
I'm here for Dydd Music Cymru. I'm here for Welsh Music Day, man. I'm here to perform. I'm at Tiwns. I'm just ready to get going, do you know what I mean? I did my first performance of the year yesterday, so you know, I'm excited, man.
I'm in here! Come on, guys! I've bumped into a TV crew, documentary makers from ABC Australia. Introduce yourself, guys. Tell us what's going on in Cymru Bach in Little Old Wales.
Well, I'm Anne Worthington. I'm the producer at an international current affairs program in Australia called Foreign Correspondent, and this is
Sean Kingwa, and I'm the cameraman for the documentary.
I've seen Nick Dole floating around somewhere as well. Is he inside drinking Wrexham lager?
He sure is. Busy at work while we're out here doing this.
So, you're not going to tell us what you're doing, but it's something big coming up. You got a documentary coming up?
Yeah, we've got a half-hour documentary coming up, which will be broadcast in Australia on March the 30th. And it's a half-hour program about Wales, about Cymru.
Okay, cool. And once it's filmed, once it's gone out in Australia, where can we see it, the Cymru?
You can watch it on ABC News In Depth. It's the YouTube channel, and you can follow that, and you'll see all the foreign correspondent programs, and you'll be able to watch the story about Wales.
There you go. Get on the YouTube and all the socials and find out what these guys have been up to.
Yeah. And Adam will be in it as well.
Ah, spoiler alert! Down.
Yo, I'm Dave Acton. I represent Larynx Entertainment.
Cool. And what does Larynx Entertainment do?
Larynx Entertainment throws expletive at the wall in the hopes that it'll support mobile artists in Wales, whether it's hip hop, grime, rap, any variation of rap, R&B, Afrobeats, dancehall. We try and cover it and try and spotlight the phenomenal artists that we've got in the country.
Okay. And today is Dydd Music Cymru.
It is.
Welsh Language Music Day.
Yes.
So tell me, what are Larynx doing today in T-Pow?
We are basically just playing tracks in between the intervals for the artists, but we've got incredible artists on. We've got Mr. Formula, Sage Todds, Lizzie Squad and Rufus Mufasa here in T-Pow. Going to be a stellar show.
Diolch yn daf, diolch mae'n happy a diolch fach i'r Wrecsam!
Morgan Alwyn dwi, dyma'r band, Nick, Jack. Dydd Music Cymru ni ydy diwrnod I dathlu music Cymraeg. Dwi'n bod yn brysur heddiw. O'n i'n neud gig a gweithdi yn ysgol Maes Garmon, a wedyn dyn ni fyma yn hyfryd Saeseren yn Wrecsam. Just want to go on. Yeah. Well, work it out. Okay. Yes.
Focus Wales. We are a showcase festival which happens in Wrecsam each May. And what does Showcase Festival mean? Well, basically it's about connecting artists with industry. We have 250 artists from around the world, and we have about 500 delegates that come from around the world, about 20,000 new music fans. People can purchase a wristband, which means that they can hop around all the different venues. We have 20 stages all across Wrexham City Centre, and it's all about new music discovery. So it's about taking a chance, it's about getting out your comfort zone and going to check out genres that maybe you wouldn't otherwise check out. If you've never been to Focus Wales, make May this year your time to come to Focus Wales. We've got some of the greatest bands that I've ever booked, and I'm really chuffed about that. And we've got loads of exciting new artists coming through from Wales and from Wrexham as well.
Diolch yn fawr, da ni'n enjoying it hynna. Are we enjoying ourselves? We enjoying ourselves, yeah? We love to hear that.
Did he take on the side selling? We're out the side selling. And this Adam has met another Adam. There's two Adams. What's the chance of that? Have you enjoyed the Dydd Music Cymru?
We've had a cracking night.
Basically, my whole ready board, this has been Dydd Music Cymru in Saeseren and Tiwns Wrecsam. It's been bendigedig, the artists have been brilliant. Well done everyone for putting it together. Top job, Wrecsam.